Halo everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Halo alamal, ikat Nova and welcome in Study with Nova. In this video, I want to show you why you must become AWS Community Builder. So here, what is AWS Community Builder first? From the page, AWS Community Builder is a program is offer technical resources, education, networking opportunity to AWS technical enthusiasts. So what it is? From Amazon Web Service, give you resources and the opportunity to familiar with AWS Cloud. AWS give you a lot of supports. What's the supports? The first one, I wanna say hello. My name is Nova Leticia and I'm AWS Community Builder from 2021. Yes, this is my 4 years. And then if I continue being AWS Community Builder, it's like my 5 years. Can say so many stories for you about how became AWS Community Builder. So what's the support from the AWS? Is the first one is AWS credit $500. So $500, it's much for you to make a lot of portfolio projects for your personal portfolio. I mean, like if you use like from the basic scratch from easy to S3 and then VP, I think it's like unmanaged service. It is enough for you to use like your AWS credit in $500. But if you use managed service, is the price is much higher, like RDS or like ECS or like another managed service from AWS, price is much higher. But if you use that service, you don't use again, please stop. Please stop the service and shut down the service. And so yeah, it is very worth it. The second one, what's the support from the AWS is you got AWS certification voucher. So 1 year you get one voucher. Right in 2022, I got my certification. After that, I got a job, and then yeah, I got another project for another company. So yeah, it is very worth it. You get certification, you get a job, so it is very worth it to get your certification, right? The third one is AWS swag. Every year, I get so many swag from AWS. There are some mug, and then bag, and then all of those things. Then the quality is number one. Yeah, the swags is very good. Then the third first is reinvent discount passes. Okay, do you know the event? The events like the in-person community, in-person conference in community in Las Vegas every single year from AWS in Las Vegas. So the last year I got my first reinvent, yay! And I get so many friends, I get so many things to learn, I think. And then yeah, I want to share about that in the next video maybe. So being AWS Community Builder, you can get a lot of discount to attend AWS re:Invent. So it is really worth it. 5 things. This is our last, right? A learning opportunity and global community. But privilege being AWS Community Builder is I have a lot of learning opportunity for me to learn about cloud. For my background, I am from Indonesia. Actually, I live in East Java at that time. East Java is so far from the capital city of Indonesia. It's in Jakarta, and then at that time it's in the pandemic, and yeah, there are no much opportunity at that time. So become AWS Community Builder. I have another opportunity to become a speaker, and another opportunity to get another project, another opportunity to get a new job, and etc. There are so many things, the opportunity to me at the time. And the second background is because I don't have computer science background. I have from physics background. I have like a bachelor and master degree in physics, so I don't know a lot about the cloud. I don't know about the tech. I don't know a lot about the programming, etc. So AWS Community Builder is mean that I learn from friends from the community all of the world, but especially from APJ, Asia Pacific Japan, for give me a lot of opportunity to become a speaker in AWS Community ASEAN, to make you believe that I as a person can grow with the community itself. So it's very nice to see friends to learn from friends, I'm more confident here to use English to you. Especially the 4 or 5 years ago, I didn't dare to use English. You know that I didn't fluently in English until now actually, but yeah, it's okay for me to show my mistake, to show to you that I can grow. I can grow by time. So yeah, being AWS Community Builder is like I have a lot of privilege. I have got a lot of supports until now. I now live in Netherlands, not in Indonesia, because my husband got a job here, and then yeah, we moved in Netherlands, and then after that, being AWS Community Builder is like another privilege too, because I have like my community there in Indonesia, in Asia Pacific Japan at that time, and then I moved here, and then I got a lot of friends too from AWS Community Builder in Netherlands. I attend AWS Community Summit Amsterdam in 2024, and the Community Day Netherlands. My target is being speaker in this year 2025. So yeah, I can say that being AWS Community Builder is like privilege to you to get a friend around the world, not only in your country but around the world. So yeah, it's very nice how you to being AWS Community Builder is just submit to technical content. How to make technical content? That's the questions. Okay, this is my approach. The first one is you to make article, maybe you give a talk in the another's submit. You like to make a YouTube video. After that, I can show you this link about technical content. I would like to workshop that AWS is like the whole workshop from the AWS. You can learn from that. You can summarize what's the point of the workshop that AWS. The another one is Azure Invent YouTube video. That's AWS Azure Invent have a lot of interesting idea, a lot of interesting project that maybe you can interesting to writing it with your own words from that video YouTube. Maybe like using like analogy. Then what's the difference being that product from the another competitor, and then like that. So it's make easy for you to writing with your own words. So that's my idea about how to submit 2 technical content. Just only 2 technical content, not too much. Just only 2. If you try this and then you submit now, you got the change, you got accepted, and the second one is you fail. But at least you try, right? At least you try. This is my motto every year. At least I try. If I fail, I learn something from that process, right? I learn something from the whole process from the beginning, right? But if you didn't try, you didn't learn something. At least you try. You try your best writing, you try your best making video or like a podcast, but at least you try. Maybe someone always say that I don't have time to make article, I don't have any resources. Yes, I can say that. No, you have time, you have resources to writing. So just try. It's okay if you fail, it's okay if you succeed. But I wanna say it is very worth it to become AWS Community Builder. So that's why I'm here in 5 years now. Actually, 5 years in 2025, my 4th year. So yeah, I like to become AWS Community Builder. It's like give me like a family from the around the world who give me a lot of opportunity, a lot of friends from around the world. So yeah, it's very worth it for me to become AWS Community Builder. I like become the AWS Community Builder. So yeah, that's all for me. If you have any questions and if you have any comments, please let me know, and don't forget like another YouTuber, don't forget to subscribe if you like my video, or if you like my another video too. I want to make another video about AWS Invent in 2024. In the last year, I got my first to Las Vegas, and then that's my first going to US too. So yeah, it's very nice. Thank you so much for your ratings, and then yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye, Nada.